Now that we've already installed our SIM card and our memory card in our solar-powered CCTV camera, we need to install an app on our mobile phone that allows us to have remote viewing of what is going on in our situation. Now, for this one, as you can see on the box, it's using the app HiEasy. It's a free iOS and Android app. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to scan that particular app on my phone. Let me do that right now. So there we go. I'll be recording it as well. And once I do that, let me just get the QR code scanner right here. And I'm going to scan the QR code. It's going to open the link. Let's open link. And once I open link, it's going to take me to Google Play Store. Just click on install. It's going to download. It's about 84 MB, so please take a note of that. It may be a little bit bigger. That is in size. It's done. And once it's done downloading, just click on open. It's going to prompt you for an agreement right there. So the next step is you need to choose your location. Now, I'm in Kenya, so I'm going to choose, let me see. Let me see if we can actually search for this. Plus 254. Let's look for plus 254. Is right here, Jamhuri ya Kenya. Select that. And once you do that, you're going to enter your email and password and login. So if you don't have an account here, you can just click on sign up. And this is actually going to prompt you for a couple of options. So for example, your phone number, a verification code, enter your password again right there, and then. So that's the downloading and installing. So you need to sign up for this particular section for the app for it to work. So let me do that, and then we are going to continue. Now that we've already downloaded, installed the HiEasy app and registered for an account, I'm going to open up my HiEasy app right here because I need to add our 4G 4-lens solar CCTV to it. Now, you're going to get the option to add a device, and you'll need to power on your device. Let's power it on right there. So you turn on the power button right here at the back. So it's important to do that. And it's going to go through its paces of turning on and all that kind of stuff. So you may need to give it a while.
4G device starting. 4G device startup is complete. 4G module detected successfully. SIM card detected successfully. Connecting to the network. Please wait. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
So we have our camera, it's connected and all that. And we've already opened our app on HiEasy. So what we need now to do is to add this particular 4G solar CCTV onto our app right here. So I'm going to click on add device, and please take note that you need to have Bluetooth on. So I'm going to click on add device and also have an internet connection. Now on the side of our camera here, there's a QR code. Just scan it right there. So adding device. Now it's going to give you the option to name the device. So for example, depending on where you want to name your device, let's say you want to put it in the front of the house, but they do have some placeholders: family, bedroom, living room, office, balcony, study. Let's assume you want to put it like front of the house. Front of the house, right there. Done, and then click on next. And it gives you the option for different options. Push alarm. After turning it on, you can receive alarm notifications in time and quickly grasp the dynamics of the device. Click OK. Click to preview device is right here. Next. To share the device with a family member and all that, that's something else you can do. Click on next, and also click to view more settings. Now, that's okay, I know. Now, you can see it's online, 4 channels. If I click on it right here, you're going to be able to see the different channels right there from our viewing. So you can upgrade the monthly storage. That's more cloud storage. You can see the 4 screens, pan, tilt, zoom for the main camera here, playback, mirroring, and all that right there. But that, simply put, that is how you actually set up or add devices. If you have some more, you can click on add this device and then scan their QR codes and add them, maybe back of the house, gate, and all that. And that's it for this video. That is how you install the HiEasy app and also add your fast camera to the app so that you can get notifications. And you can see it's giving us more or less notifications of what is going on right there. So that's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.